Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the Ninja Agility tires. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. Because I don't have tile, it's a little harder for me to line my images up, so I'll use some blue tape to help me out. Next, I'll plan the placement for the tires. I'm going to show you two different ways to place a tire. This first method, I'll completely remove the backing and hover the tire for a moment to ensure proper placement. Then I'll stick one side down first and apply pressure, smoothing it out side to side as I move downwards. For the second method, I'll start by applying a piece of tape to both sides of the image to hold it in place. Next, I'll peel back a section of the tire to expose the backing and cut off that portion. Then I'll press the exposed part of the tire onto my surface. Once it's secure, I can remove the tape and the rest of the backing to apply the full image smoothly. Notice how I work in small sections, pushing the center down first and squeegeeing out towards my sides. And that's it. More videos coming soon.